Okay, well, we are about 4 hours in of what seems to be, or what they tell me is going to be, a 3-day project from start to finish. And look at this. We actually can see a frame. Today's video is sponsored by King Metals. They've got all your fabrication needs in one location. From hinges to hardware, balusters to metal decor, brass to aluminum, and a whole lot more. You name it, they've got it. Check them out today at kingmetals.com. Now let's get back to today's video of what this shop's gonna look like. You know, after what seems like an eternity for me, after 8 months of kind of dreaming every single day of what this shop's gonna look like, and trying to size it up in my head and on paper, I've drawn so many pictures and laid out a plan of where everything is gonna go. And to finally see something like this coming together, it's kind of like a dream come true for me. It's finally happening. I just never thought it was going to happen. All the trials and tribulations that it seemed like I've been through, and we've finally got actually something happening right here. And like I said, we're 4 hours in. I'm going to bring you guys back at the day's end and show you what gets done by the end of the day. I have a feeling these guys are going to be working into the night. That seems to be their forte. Like I said, they got here last night at about 9:15 and dropped this building off on a trailer out in the driveway there. They were here early, got started, and I have a feeling they're going to work until dark tonight. It just seems to be the way it goes. So I'll bring you back at the end of the day and show you what it looks like then. Well, it's finally happening. A new shop. They're working late into the night.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.